Your Revel has a really great fan built into the roof. It's called a Maxx Air. It is, has a few functions here. It's very simple to operate. First off, we have an on-off button. If you turn it on, push it once, the lid of the fan will raise up and allows you to run the fan in rain, or it just keeps dirt and dust from getting in there as much. Then we also have a plus and a minus button here. Plus, I push it and it makes a beep for each push, and it makes it go faster and pull more air through. Or the inverse of that is the minus button, makes it go slower, pull less air. And then once again, I don't have to necessarily put this down because it's raining. This cover is designed to work in the rain. So I'm gonna hit the button one more time. It's gonna turn off the fan. It is going to close the cover, seal everything up. One other thing that I get asked quite a bit is, what is the deal with the green light? There is a green light here. There is a button that says auto right next to the power button. It's kind of in the corner here. And if I hold the auto button on, the fan comes on if we're over 78 degrees. So this is an auto feature. 78 is the magic number, and it'll come on if your van interior gets over 78. If it's below 78, it'll go off. So this is kind of nice if you're gone for a day or two and you want to keep some circulation, keep pulling the hot air out. You can turn it to auto, and if it gets warm in here, it turns on, and if it's not, it turns off, which will therefore save some battery power. Your Maxx Air vent comes with a really great remote control. I like this thing a lot because if you happen to be in bed and it's either too hot or too cold, this is a great, easy way to adjust the temperature without having to get out of bed. It also comes with this neat little mount. Winnebago does not mount this for you. This is something that they're going to let you put it wherever is the most convenient for you. I'll set it aside for now. Let's talk about some of the remote control functions. We have a power button. When I depress the power button, it turns the fan on. Push it, it turns it off. We have a few other neat features here. So once the fan is on, I can then change my fan speed up or down by the up or down arrow. I can also raise or lower the vent lid. If it's already on and I hit the vent lid button, it will lower it. If I hit it again, it will raise it, but it leaves the fan on the whole time. If I go into the auto mode, which is the button here in the center, I get auto on the display. Then I can set my temperatures with the up or down arrows to the desired temperature. Once it crosses that temperature threshold, my fan is either going to turn off or turn on, depending on if it's above or below that temperature setting. This is a great way to regulate temperature in your van for a variety of reasons. This is really great at night if you know you want it down to a certain temperature. You can say set it on 72. If it gets hotter than 72, your fan will automatically come on. If it drops below that, it'll automatically go off.